Model, 65-plate Vauxhall Combo 2001.3 CDTI, 90 PS, L1H1 super low mileage 19k wow. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 19,814. MOT, the 23rd of February 2025. Engine, 1248 cc 1.3D. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, needs multiple injectors replacing. This will idle on its own but is misfiring and stinks of diesel. Previous owner put the wrong fuel in the tank so should need only injectors replacing. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in great condition, really reflects the mileage and age of the vehicle, with only a few small marks to the bodywork. This is worth being repaired and put back to its former glory. The interior and rear load area are also in great condition.